Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on Suno. You will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above here we search about Suno app and you will click. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here in this page you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to press bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.